How to avoid pushing the girl away too much when you do push pulls or teases. How to avoid pushing the girl away too much during push pulls or teases. So what I would recommend is actually pushing the girl away too much. Okay? You actually lose the girl because you pushed her away too much. Literally. You'll be surprised at what that threshold is. Okay? The only reason I know the exact threshold, there's this old saying. It's like, the only way one can truly know the limit is until he's pushed it beyond the limit. Like, until you've actually surpassed the limit, you're always just guessing where the actual limit is. You know what I'm saying? So it's actually not until you've like be that guy that is too polarizing. Be that guy that over escalates. Literally, be the guy that over escalates. You're gonna learn that you could get away with a lot more than you think if you calibrate after the fact, and also you can escalate a lot more than you think if you calibrate after the fact. Okay, I could go in and fucking, dude, I could go in and borderline make out with this girl within like 3 seconds a lot of the time. Okay, that would probably be over escalating, but I can still calibrate after the fact. The moment she starts to realize it was a little too much, I just start laughing. I'm like, whoa, relax. Let's slow down. Hold on. We jumped into this way too fast. That's how I would like calm down on over escalating. Or if I said something I was like too pushed away, you need to be able to calibrate and pull it back and be like, no, wait, no, I was joking. I promise you that was I'm in a really good mood. I'm sorry about that one. Honestly, I am. Okay. The problem with a lot of dudes is though, they push the girl too far. They see she's upset and they can't create that laughter, that fun laughter that I just showed you. The dude starts getting in his head and apologetic and nervous at her reaction. And that's the reason you lose the girl. Because I could pretty much say anything. I could literally say, fuck you, bitch, and find a way to calibrate it. Because I know I can soften it and I just start laughing. I just don't fall into the frame because the moment she sees I'm weak and in my head and apologetic, she's just going to stomp on me. Okay? She's just going to stomp on you. So how do you know where the threshold is, or how do you know when it's too much? Oh, wait, no. What was the actual phrase? How do you avoid pushing the girl away too much? You figure out where the actual line is. Push too much. You also push not enough. And every interaction, you're going to slowly fine tune that dial. And every girl's is slightly different. Okay? I would actually, you err on the side of being a little too much than not enough, honestly. Okay? If I go out, guys, I can still be too polarizing. There are instances that come to my mind that happened in just the last 2 weeks where after the fact, I was like, I was a tiny bit too much. I was a tiny bit too much of a dead. Okay, but majority of you guys in here aren't being enough of a dead. I'd rather you become a little bit too much of a dead. Because once you realize you're being too much, like, look, we're all fucking nice guys in here. We all care about women. We all want it. Like, there's nobody in this program that's like, I hate women. Fuck these hoes. Okay, fuck these hoes. I'm here to fuck every bitch that ever treated me wrong. Like, most guys aren't like that in here. You guys are good, nice guys. Okay, so if you're ever being too much, it's going to be very easy for you to revert backwards. The hard part for most of you is going to be being not enough of that guy. And then when you realize you were being too much of a dad, you start like falling into that apologetic, sorry, no, I didn't mean to do that. Oh my God. Oh my, making it too big of a deal. So, ultimately, the way you're going to figure it out is by doing it too much, doing it not enough, analyzing the interaction, calibrating, and slowly over time, those dials will become fine-tuned. You know what I'm saying? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And by the way, if you want to work with me personally to implement any of the techniques in this video to become more socially confident, get more women in your life, build a bigger social circle, and really just dominate life in any aspect socially, I can help you with that. I'm the fucking guy for that, okay? Been doing this for a long time. I've transformed myself going from a video game nerd loser to becoming one of the top guys in the industry with this stuff, okay? So if you're interested in working with me personally, click the link below, click the link in the description, fill out the application, and we will be contacting you to discuss further details. Until next time, Coach Kyle signing out. Peace.